Today, a pool cover is not just a pool cover. Consider the possibilities of a swimming pool enclosure that can also be used as a play area, a dance floor, an entertaining room, or even a parking space. Perks of sliding and retractable pool covers. Number 1. Add value to your home. Number 2. Improved safety for your kids and pets. Number 3. More environmentally responsible. Number 4. Reduced maintenance. Number 5. Innovative technology. Number 6. Savings on energy and water bills. What we offer at RJB USA. H-line covers which fit perfectly over your pool, sliding into place at the push of a button. V-line covers are ideal when space is at a premium. This option allows a robust surface to fold away when not in use. S-line covers, which move up and down in the water, offering the option of a shallow pool for kids, a full-depth pool swimmers, and a seamless surface when the pool is not in use. Jacuzzi covers. Smaller and more compact pool covers are also available.